Lot 9, 1998 Landrover Defender Wolf 300 TDI. What a thing. Come from Kenya, which is why it's in desert colours. I think he's been somewhere else before they sent it to Kenya. Pretty straight for a Wolf actually. A few knocks and scrapes, odd coloured front wing. Rear cross members pretty good. Rest of the chassis again uprated. These cannot be compared to a normal Defender 90 because they are different. Uprated, strengthened chassis, bigger engine, rust proof. There we go. Uprated axles, heavy duty steel wheels, all sorts of military specific things, and a canvas hood, which I think the spare wheel may be mounted on there, so somebody will have to get that. Oh, we've a bit of a patchy repair up there. Seats in the back with inertia belts, stop them squaddies rattling about. Full roll cage, goes right to the front. Series type doors, which seem to be a thing now to put on Defenders that don't have them. These already came with them. "24-volt battery system. This one's done 135,000 miles, but it has had a recon engine fitted at 2015, so, and we've no idea what that's done. Fires into life. No throttle at all, eh? Standard bit of diesel smoke there. The only diesel vehicle we have in the sale so far. There it is. Dependable 300 TDI engine, like I say. It's painted sort of that turquoisey green because it's a recon unit, and the plate on the top says it's been fitted in 2015. It will need registering after you've MOT'd it, which we can talk you through the process. We have the relevant documentation, so as you can register it, but you do need to MOT it first. Plus VAT as well. Guide price. We've been selling them in through the plant sale between 10 and 15 grand, so that's about where it's going to be.